Hello, friends. This is Shayan Shahid, and today I'm gonna be talking about the best microphone for YouTubers and for the beginners. Now, this one is this Boya BY-M1. If you see it here, this is uh, uh, mirrored because of the front my camera here. But this is a microphone we are going to unbox today, and uh, I'm gonna take you right into it. So let's get Boya BY-M1 unboxed. Now, this is the pack, and if you buy it, you will see this type of pack here, and you will unbox it like from the back, and this bring it up here, and uh, now after that this area, now this area from here, and after that this. Now in this you will see a bag up here, like this bag. It's totally inside now, and this bag is also written Boya, and if you open it you will see this microphone up here, right up here. Now this is the main microphone, and this are is the filter and TRRS for a big cable um, adapter, which you can use in the big sound system also. This is the filter, and it comes also with this um, clip up here, because I unboxed it previous because I wanted to see up here, and this clip I uh, totally forgot about this. This was a pack of it, taking up its side. And in the box again, these are some paperworks like this one, these papers, and after that this one also. This was a warranty card, and this is the user manual up here. Okay, and this is the BY-M1, the great ass and the great microphone for YouTubers. And this is the microphone tip from where you microphone starts, and you will plug in this filter up here. Not plug, put it up here like this. Make sure it's fully in, and like this. And this is the TRS cable single, which is used in mobile phones. And if you see up here, I'm gonna open it like this. You will see a cell here, like this cell here, and you will be given a cell with it, and you will start opening it up and uh, entering the cell up here. And now I'm gonna close it this like this. It's too harsh when we up here. Now this is Titan, and you can also make it assemble from here. Okay, so now in this case you will see a button here, this button. If you see it closely, it is written camera and off smartphones. Now if you are on a camera or DSLR, Sony or Nikon or um, a Canon, you will put this button up, and if you are in smartphones or PC, you will put this down. uh, as I am on my smartphone, recording it from my smartphone, I will do this down. Okay, now after that I'm gonna tell you the audio test with this great Boya BY-M1 microphone. This is the audio recording from the Boya BY-M1. You can see it here, and it's very great for beginners, YouTubers, and much more. If you are a Twitch gamer, EDC, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and very great microphone. You can see the audio test here. It will be, I think so, great from the headphone, which I was using to record my previous audio before the unboxing here. And it is very great. If you want to buy it, I will give the link in the description of Amazon and more, because it is of different rates. I bought it from a local shop, and it was about 1700 rupees Pakistani, and it may be approximately maximum will be 2000, and the uh, minimum will be 1500 rupees. And it's very great microphone. You should buy it, and I recommend this one. As a beginner, not go you do not go to um, the highest ones if you are a beginner. And one more thing, uh, do check your budget. If you have your budget more, you can buy a Blue Yeti or BM800 or Rode microphones. Yeah, it totally depends on your budget. Because this I like that one, so I don't want more uh, big classification. So I am looking for BM800 Blue Yeti for my YouTube channel, but it's totally not necessary, because I want this, and it's a very great microphone. Now, I hope you found this video very helpful and came to know about Boya BY-M1, uh, and I give you suggestion or opinion. My opinion, you should buy this. And thanks for watching, and keep watching. Let's practice together, LPT. And one more thing, do subscribe, like this. Here it is coming up, like this. Subscribe this button and also press this bell icon. And thank you for watching, and keep watching. Let's practice together for more Photoshop or graphic design, um, Premiere Pro, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe After Effects. More and more courses will come along. uh, Thanks for watching, and keep watching. Let's practice together. Thanks.